A School presents.
What are you doing, Creo?
Sorry, Raoh. Hey, look who is here. How are you today?
Here we are again. Good morning. I'm doing well, thank you. How about you?
I'm great. Thanks for asking. Sorry, I don't remember your name. Can you repeat it?
Again, my name is Raoh, Raoh. Is it clear now, Cree?
Oh, yeah, sorry. I have a bad memory. Anyway, where are you from? England, USA, Italy, Colombia, Bhutan?
No, I'm not from their planet, remember? Same as you? I come from the Central Sun. But why Bhutan?
Oh yes, sorry again. Bhutan because it's the only country on planet Earth where happiness is valued more than money.
Cool, great place then. Imagine if all the countries could do that. Anyway, Creo, where are you from?
I am from that difficult to pronounce beautiful planet near Sirius A. I'm not Italian, German, Spanish, Nigerian,
Of course
Japanese.
you aren't. Okay. How old are you, Creo?
I am 11 years old. No, I'm joking. I'm joking. I am much older. I am 1,111 years old. And you?
I think 304 million years. Not sure anymore.
Wow, you are old. Ancient. And do you have any siblings?
Not. I'm an only child. Actually, I'm the only the super mechanized artificial intelligence ever made with this shape. And you, do you have any
Yes.
brothers and sisters?
I have one older sister, Nadim.
Is she married?
Yes, she is. Married with Sam, and they have two boys, Matt and Mar, my beloved nephews.
A great family.
Yes, we are.
And do they have any pets?
Yes, two creatures, they look like dogs. Huh? But tell me, Rao, do you like play any sports or do you have any hobbies?
I like to calculate the distances of multiverses and eating mushrooms. And you?
Well, I like playing football, running, swimming, boxing, listening, playing music. Look. Hey! Oh, Jesus. Sorry. And the ditch, the ditch. I can play bongos now. Look. Bongo, bongo.
Okay, you can stop
Oh,
now.
sorry. Because I have too much passion for life. Oh, look. It started to rain outside.
Oh my god. His boring talks again. Yes, Creo, I really have to go.
Well, me too. It was nice meeting you again, Rao. Maybe we can meet again together sometimes.
I don't think so. But for now, have a good day.
Yes, Rao. And people, have a good day too. And see you.
Never again.
We don't know when, but definitely we will see you in the future. Bye. Goodbye.
Stop it.
Goodbye. Today we thank music, a great gift that can transport you to places of mystery, beauty, and grace. Music is the only true universal language between humans and the divine. All races, colors, religions, and cultures. It gives us comfort and hope in times of difficulty or despair. Listen to music is good for the brain, for your health. It keeps you young. Oh, come on, come on. Studies reveal the benefits of music and great for aging. In short, those who love music have better health. So listen to harmonious music. Have fun, play, sing, go to karaoke bar. Hello, Sally, good morning. And above all, dance. Dance is the deepest expression of the soul. Dancing is great.
La clave, mi
Actually,
gente.
wow, I'm coming to get you.
La clave llama la salsa.
Let's dance a great salsa.
Salseros si llaman.
Rio, leave me alone.
Salseros
I
si
can't
llaman.
dance.
Salseros si llaman. Salseros si llaman.
Remember, listen to music, enjoy life, dance, play, do something, stop complaining, life's a gift. Goodbye.
Rio, what are you doing?
Calm down, Raoh. I'm flying spaceships.
And I told you to take off those stupid glasses. Rio, you are Orion police.
I know. Keep quiet.
Hey, you are in trouble. Slow down.
Slow down, Creo.
I just want to get out of the Orion belt. A lot of traffic and everyone is so stressed.
Like you. But why don't you use the autopilot?
You don't understand. You don't understand what it means to have fun.
Go back to serious, useless creature.
Is that fun?
Raoh, I have an important mission. Don't distract me.
Don't be arrogant now.
Whatever.
Really, don't be cocky. Look, slow down and remember you are not the only one on this mission. There are so many like you.
And where is everybody? Come on, I want to get to Earth soon. We have a problem.
Don't move the spaceship and get out of it now.
See? I told you.
Can I see your space license?
Yes, I'm coming, officer.
Silly Creo, I think you learned a lesson that to be a teacher you also have to be humble and peaceful. But come now, I want to show you something about planet Earth. Here I have some aromatic plants. That's basil.
So good. It reminds me of my feet. What is this plant that also smell here?
That's rosemary and, like basil and other herbs, it is used for cooking, but not only.
And what is that ugly plant over there?
It's not ugly, and leave it alone. Anyway, that's sage, very important and noble plant.
The smell of these plants is amazing. I can't wait to taste the food of planet Earth.
Yes, I told you, Creo. The Earth is a magnificent planet. We need to help humans understand that, though.
How good, very good.
But Creo, what are you doing? You can't eat rosemary like that. You are so stupid. Ah ha ha, ah ha ha ha.
But you had to tell me. Oh, Raoul is laughing too now.
Oh dear,